Protein Solutions, we uphold the highest standard of respect, integrity, and professionalism in the workplace. Our code of conduct serves as a guiding framework for all the employees, contractors, and partners, ensuring ethical behavior and a positive work culture. Every individual is expected to act rational, promote mutual respect, and contribute to a safe and inclusive environment. Let's glance through our company policies starting with Code of Conduct. Let's glance through our company policies starting with Code of Conduct. Respect and inclusion. Treat all colleagues, clients, and stakeholders with dignity, fairness, and courtesy. Discrimination or any form of offensive behavior will not be tolerated. Professional integrity. Conduct business with honesty, transparency, and accountability. Avoid conflicts of interest, maintain confidentiality, and use company resources responsibly. Compliance with laws and policies. Abide by all applicable laws and organizational policies, including the prevention of sexual harassment policy, IT and security policies, anti-bribery regulation, and workplace safety protocols. Zero tolerance for harassment. Uphold a zero tolerance stance towards any form of harassment, bullying, or misconduct. All employees must report any inappropriate behavior through the prescribed internal channels. Ethical use of technology and data. Use company systems, data, and technology ethically and only for authorized purposes. Maintain data privacy and protect sensitive information at all times. Accountability and reporting. Upholding the code of conduct is a shared responsibility across the organization. Employees are encouraged to promptly report any observed or experienced violation in good faith. All reports will be treated seriously and handled with confidentiality. To understand in detail, please go through your appointment letter. Let's now shift our focus to the next topic, integrity, and how it strengthens our organization. What is integrity? Integrity means acting ethically, honestly, and consistently, even when no one is watching. It's about aligning your actions with your values and the organization principles, fostering trust and accountability in everything you do. Why integrity matters? It matters to build trust among colleagues, clients, and stakeholders. It helps to protect the company's reputation and legal standing, creates a safe, respectful, and productive work environment. It also encourages a culture of fairness and transparency. Here are some common workplace situations where integrity is clearly demonstrated. Honesty in communication. Scenario: you notice an error in a report you submitted that could delay your project. Integrity in action. You immediately inform your manager, explain the mistake, and propose a solution to fix it. Why it matters? Owning up to errors builds credibility and shows commitment to quality. Respecting confidentiality. Scenario: you overhear sensitive information about the company before it's announced. Integrity in action. You keep the information private and avoid sharing it even casually. Why it matters? Protecting confidentiality, maintain trust, and prevents workplace gossip. Avoid conflicts of interest. Scenario: a client offers you a personal gift or sponsors lunch or dinner in exchange for altering their audit reports. Integrity in action. You politely decline the gift and report the incident to your manager or compliance team. Why it matters? Prevent bias and ensures decisions are made in the company's best interest. Accountability for actions. Scenario: you miss a deadline due to poor time management. Integrity in action. You apologize to your team, take responsibility, and collaborate to get back on track. Why it matters? Accountability fosters teamwork and continuous improvement. What to do when integrity is compromised? Speak up. Report unethical behavior through official channels like HR, your immediate manager. Ask for guidance. If unsure about a situation, consult your manager or compliance team. Lead by example. Demonstrate integrity in small actions like giving credit to others or following policies consistently. How to uphold integrity daily? Follow company policies like anti-bribery, data privacy, anti-discrimination policy. Be transparent in decisions and communications. Treat company resources responsibly. Example, avoid misuse of fund, equipment or time. Integrity isn't just a policy, it's the foundation of our workplace culture. By acting with honesty, fairness and courage, you contribute to an environment where everyone can thrive. Confidentiality and non-disclosure. As an employee, you may have access to confidential material such as documents, reports, client information, intellectual property, and company assets that are critical to the company's success and require strong protection. By accepting this role, you agree to the following. Strict confidentiality. Do not share any confidential or proprietary information with unauthorized individuals, both during your employment and after it ends. Controlled use. Do not remove any confidential material from company or client premises unless it is essential for work-related purposes. All materials must be returned immediately when no longer needed or upon the end of your employment. Company assets. It is imperative that everyone abides and respects the company policy on asset management, as all the employees are expected to treat the assets as proprietary material. Company assets. All employees are required to adhere to the company's asset management policy. Company assets must be treated as proprietary material, and employees will be held responsible for any loss or damage to these assets. Violating confidentiality damages trust, weakens the company's competitive edge, and may lead to legal repercussions. Do and don'ts. Do's. Maintain professionalism in all communications and interactions. Respect colleagues, clients, and stakeholders regardless of role or background. Adhere to company policies and comply with all legal and regulatory requirements. Protect company assets and use them responsibly. Report unethical behavior or any violations of company policies. Foster a positive work environment through a teamwork, support, and collaboration. Be punctual and accountable for your responsibilities. Practice confidentiality when handling sensitive or personal information. Don'ts. Do not engage in discrimination, harassment, or any form of disrespectful behavior. Do not misuse company resources for personal gain or outside business. Do not share confidential information with unauthorized parties. Do not engage in conflicts of interest that may compromise your integrity. Do not ignore safety protocols or compromise workplace health and safety. Do not falsify records, documents, or reporting of any kind. Do not engage in gossip, spreading rumors, or unprofessional conduct. Let's now explore the leave policies and its entitlement, highlighting the different leave types and employee eligibility. Under the annual leave policy, employees are entitled to earned leave, casual leave, as well as national and festival holidays. Leave accumulation is capped at a maximum of 15 days within a calendar year. Earned leave. Regular employees are eligible for 18 days of earned leave annually. For those joining during the year, leave is credited on a pro rata basis. 1 day of EL is earned for every 20 actual working days, excluding holidays and weekly off. All planned leave must be approved by the respective reporting manager. Casual leave. Regular employees are granted 6 days of casual leave each calendar year. In line with organizational policy, employees must earn leave before taking it. Any remaining casual leave will expire on December 31st each year. Holiday leave. In addition to the leaves mentioned earlier, employees are entitled to 10 national and festival holidays, which are covered under the annual leave policy. Maternity leave. All regular female employees who have completed 80 working days within the 12 months preceding the expected delivery date are eligible for maternity leave. In accordance with the Maternity Benefit Act of 1961, the leave is granted for a period of 26 weeks, that is 180 days. Employees must notify the HR manager and their respective reporting manager at least 3 months before taking maternity leave. Paternity leave. Fathers of newborn or adopted children are entitled to 3 days of paternity leave, which must be taken at the time of delivery. This leave is applicable for the first 2 children only. Paternity leave cannot be encashed, accumulated, or carried forward. The Employee Benefit Scheme is crafted to prioritize the well-being of our employees by offering the healthcare services. This comprehensive program is designed to foster the healthy, secure, and fulfilling work environment. It reflects in our commitment to support our employees both personally and professionally. ProTeams offer you the following benefits. This is a cashless medical insurance facility available for individual employees, providing coverage across a pan-India network of hospitals. The policy is fully cashless. However, a 10% of co-payment is applicable during the reimbursement process. For detailed information about the policy, please refer to the email sent by HR to your personal email address. You can also follow the link provided in the description to view the claim process. Employees State Insurance Corporation (ESIC). Employees earning a gross salary under 21,000 or less are eligible for ESIC benefits, which also extend to cover their family members' medical expenses. Make sure to include your family members on the ESIC Declaration Form 1 during your onboarding. For more details, please refer to the link in the description. Workmen Compensation Policy. The company is committed to provide a safe and secure working environment for all employees. In accordance with applicable labor laws, the company maintains a workmen compensation policy to cover employees who suffer work-related injury or illnesses. This policy ensures that employees receive appropriate medical care, wage replacement, and other necessary benefits in the event of an occupational accident or disease. Compensation and benefit will be provided as per the provisions of the Governing Workmen Compensation Act and related regulations. Whistleblower Policy. Whistleblower is someone who exposes information or activity within an organization that they fairly believe to be illegal, unethical, or harmful to the organization. This disclosure can be made internally to our CEO directly with the valid evidences. Reach out on sos@protein.co.in. Integrity starts with you. Play your part in maintaining a transparent and ethical workplace. Report concerns by becoming a company whistleblower without revealing the identity on company platform. POSH. Prevention of Sexual Harassment Policy is in force at our organization. For any further information or clarification, please contact hr@protein.co.in. ProHRMS, the employee-friendly tool. This tool is designed to provide seamless access to all ProTeam employees upon successful onboarding. Once onboarded, employees receive an auto-generated welcome email containing their login user ID and password. Available features in the self-service portal: payslip access, employee self-service dashboard, tax declaration or Form 16, document upload or KYC resubmission, company circulars and notices. This platform aims to empower employees with direct access to essential employment-related services and documentation. Company leads. Here at ProTeam Solutions, We believe our greatest strength lies in our people. This goes beyond the work you do at your desk. It includes your unique perspective, your experience, and the network you have built throughout your career. You may spot opportunities others might overlook. Perhaps you know of a company that could benefit from our services, or you have come across a new project that aligns seamlessly with our vision. If you ever come across a potential business opportunity or a lead you think we should explore, we encourage you to share it. We want you to know that your voice is crucial to our growth. You are not just an employee, you are a partner in our success. Employee referral. Let's grow together. Think about what brought you to Protein Solution: talent, ambition, and the drive to excel. We chose you because we saw that potential and we value your insight. Great people tend to know other great people. That's why referrals from our employees are one of the most powerful ways we grow our team. You understand our culture better than anyone, and you know who would thrive here. As you settle in, you might think of a former colleague, a friend, or a contact who shares our values and would thrive here. By encouraging them to join us, you are doing more than just filling a role. You are also helping to build our community and shape the future of our company. Follow our official social media channels to stay informed about the latest news, company updates, job opportunities, referral rewards, events, and much more. Follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Be a part of our growing network and engage with us. On behalf of our entire leadership team, I want to extend my warmest welcome to you. We know that the first few days at a new organization can be filled with a lot of information, but I hope this induction can bring a real sense of who we are, our culture, our vision, and most importantly, the commitment to our people. We hired you because we believe in you. We are excited about your unique skills, fresh ideas, and positive energy you bring to your team. Your journey with Protein Solutions starts now, and we can't wait to see what all you achieve. This isn't the end of your induction. It's the beginning of a new chapter for all of us. Welcome aboard.